This is Bob. Bob is an insurance broker who starts working very early in the morning and finishes late in the evening. He handles clients' phone calls, entertains walk-in clients, does data entry, pretty much every task needed to keep his insurance business running. Occasionally, he misses business growth opportunities because he is so busy doing non-income generating tasks. He also misses spending time with his family and doing the things he loves because he's too busy trying to run his business. He is so tied up with work that he can't seem to do anything else but that. Bob started thinking what he can do to lighten the workload and grow his business. His solution? Hire an employee. He spends extra hours on top of what he does to research on what is needed to get an employee. He learned that he needs to do the following: post on job recruitment websites, set aside funds, get the required insurance, arrange tax requirements and accounting, offer a written notice about policies. Aside from the basic legal requirements to have an employee, Bob will also need an extra desk, chair, office equipment, phone line, computer, software, and so on. The most important requirement is training. This he has to set aside some time for on top of what he is already doing. All of this will cost him roughly $35,000 a year. After searching for a bright candidate, Bob finally gets to hire Jane. This is Jane. She is young, smart, and very excited to work for Bob. Bob is also excited because he finally gets the help he needs to push his business to the next level and have more time. Jane starts training and is able to take a big load off of Bob's shoulders. For 6 months, Jane is doing quite well with her work. Slowly but surely, Bob is able to grow his business and have some free time. Just when Bob thinks everything is running smoothly, Jane comes in and hands Bob a letter. She decides to quit her job to pursue a better opportunity elsewhere. Of course, Bob is happy for Jane, but now he's back to square one. This experience is time and money wasted. The time and effort Bob spent to hire and train an employee is something that he won't get back. The money invested, sure, he can just make it over again. However, time, he can't buy time. So now he feels so frustrated because he is now back to the same problem: how to grow his business and lighten the workload. We believe we have the solution for Bob and other insurance brokers like him: INSPAS. We believe that our clients should be able to focus on what matters most: income generating activities and having more time. If you are the type of broker that values your growth, we are here to assist you in your daily activities, so you need not worry about getting things done in the midst of meeting clients, making a sale, or even managing your personal time. INSPAS is a company designed to help insurance brokers' businesses. What is INSPAS? INSPAS, or Insurance Back Office Solution Systems, is the global leader and preferred virtual assistant provider for practitioners in the insurance industry. Each one of our virtual assistants have undergone at least 200 hours of training on U.S. insurance basics, guided by a commercial lines underwriter and licensed insurance broker in New York. Here are the tasks they can perform. So how do we help insurance brokers? We start by integrating the virtual assistant with the insurance broker's current business practice. They will be working for the insurance broker whichever time frame they choose, and only at 1/3 of the cost of hiring an employee. At 1/3 of the cost, the insurance broker can enjoy the following: more time to do what matters most, increased productivity in sales, lower expense with higher yields, dramatic decrease on daily stress load, tax deductible, no need for spending time and money in training, no added infrastructure, no more additional employee paperwork, being able to work anytime, anywhere, and still have the VA assistance, exponential growth in his book of business. Since the virtual assistants no longer need training on U.S. insurance basics, the insurance broker can just assign them all the non-income generating tasks, so he can focus with client meetings, making sales, or even doing leisurely activities. As the insurance broker's business grows, he can hire more and more virtual assistants. So, if you're an insurance broker and have been watching this video all the way to this point, it means that you are exactly the person we believe should have our solution. Let us help you grow your business and help you enjoy the fruits of having more time. Be our partner now by hitting the link below to find out how to get started. INSPAS, your best partner in growing your insurance business.